Hello everyone, and let's talk about some hands-on generative AI workshops, which are truly engines of innovation to help companies and nonprofits and all sorts of organizations, government agencies, equip the professionals that work for them with skills for the generative AI paradigm shift. They bridge the gap between theory and practical application through hands-on experience during the workshop. They're essential for staying competitive in the Gen AI era, and they help unlock the potential of generative AI for your organization, moving beyond lectures to active experimentation. Employees dive directly into generative AI tools and scenarios, which helps demystify complex technology quickly and transforms employee hesitation into real-world enthusiasm. They learn by doing to automate tasks and boost their decisions, do more research, do whatever they need to do. Designing relevant and interactive generative AI sessions is something that any learning and development professional can do. Success relies, of course, on meticulous planning and execution. Sessions should be led by some external experts as well as internal experts. Tailor content to have some deep dives into whatever the topics are that the people who are coming to the workshop need to learn about, as well as crash courses for people to learn basic hands-on skills. So having some workshops and crash courses and some workshops and deep dives. Prioritize real-life applications for actionable skills and focus on your organization's specific challenges. For example, I worked with an insurance firm to integrate generative AI into their core operations and then to really get their staff to do all of these things effectively with generative AI. I developed workshops targeting claims processing and customer service first. Claims processing time dropped by a significant 20% and customer satisfaction scores increased by 17% 6 months after the workshops. And a follow-up strategy with workshops ensured lasting and continuing success. So, foster a culture of empowerment and creativity through hands-on workshops. This empowerment leads to renewed confidence and creativity, and success in the workshops and afterward inspires more collaboration across departments. Generative AI becomes more of a unifying force and breaks down silos. It helps turn knowledge into action and potential into performance. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wise Decision Maker Show. Please make sure to subscribe wherever you check the show and leave a review. It helps other people discover the show and helps us improve the show. And if you have any questions, email me at gleb@disasteravoidanceexperts.com.